I don't think this one's gonna buff out. Holy hell, it's getting hot around here. Uh-oh.
I'm out of fire extinguisher. Hey. Yeah.
Look at the smoke. Jesus. I'm guessing that the local authorities will be here anytime. Good thing was that was a Yamaha. What? We don't need them damn Yamahas anyway. They never win.